Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're all the time coming out with great content on all the inventory that we have here. But with that being said, I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 1983 Ford Mustang convertible done in a dark blue metallic. This thing is in excellent condition. It's got 43,000 original miles and it looks really nice. This is a great driver. If you're looking for something you want to get out and cruise, maybe daily drive or take to the cruise ends, this is a great car. If we look at the up front here, you do have a few little rock chips, but that's common with 43,000 miles. But overall, the paint shows very well on this Mustang, especially for its age being 30 years old. It looks really good. Your headlights are in good condition up here. All your trim up front looks good. Even your Ford badge up here looks good. It's not faded or anything like that. As we look down the side of the car, you do have a nice little light blue pinstripe, kind of gives it a little accent. Looks really nice. The wheels are in good condition. The tires are fairly new, but plenty of tread. As we look down the side of the car, it's all really clean. No major imperfections or dents or dings. Your glass is in good condition. No chips, cracks, or anything like that. As we look at the door looks really nice. All the trim here looks nice. Always like to open the doors for you guys to show you that they don't sag or anything like that. Door shuts great. You have a beautiful kind of like a ivory interior on this car. It looks really nice, as well as the matching white parade boot back here to cover up the top when you have it down. This is a power top on this car and it does work. As we look at the quarter here, it's in great condition. No major scratches, dents, or imperfections. As we walk around the edge of the car here, your tail lights are in great condition, and that really speaks volumes, because a lot of times these get faded and oxidized, but this one's in great condition. It just shows the care that this car had over its lifetime. The bumper's in great condition as well. You do have a few little minor chips here. Probably the old lady that was driving it probably, fumbled with the keys and chipped up the paint a little bit there. But overall, for a 30-year-old Mustang, this one's in great condition, especially for the miles that are on it. 43,000 is really low. It did have the carburetor rebuilt on it as well, full tune-up, stuff like that. So this one's ready to go. It's ready to hit the road. We had our mechanic, Carson Hannon, look over it. He's fantastic. He's a really good mechanic. He looks over all the vehicles here at Collectible Motorcar. We don't just take the vehicles, throw them on our showroom, and don't look at them. We actually put them on a lift, go through an inspection, and make sure that the vehicle is up to our quality to make sure it's roadworthy before it hits your driveway. But with that being said, let me grab the key out of my pocket here. I'll open up the trunk for you. We'll go ahead and see what the trunk looks like. All right, let's check out the trunk. Nice clean trunk here. You do have a nice little case, leather case here for the parade boot that you can put in there. The carpet's nice. All your weather stripping around the edges here are pretty nice. A little dusty in here where we drove it to a car show when the pollen season was going on, so it got a little dusty, but we'll get that cleaned up before we send it out. But overall, very nice. With that being said, let's go ahead and move up front so I can show you the 5.0 under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out the heart of this beautiful 83 Mustang. You got a 5.0 liter V8. Overall, very nice. All original underneath the hood here, but overall, very nice. Like I said, it does have a brand new carburetor. The AC system blows cold on this car, but overall, it's got a brand new fuel filter down there as well, I can see. Not a fully restored car, so I mean, it's not the greatest under the hood, but for a 30-year-old vehicle, it definitely looks nice. You also have a brand new battery there with a kill switch. This car has actually been sitting for like 2 weeks, and we just started it up for the video, and it fired right up. But overall, a very nice car, very nice driver. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out that ivory interior. All right, guys, check out this beautiful ivory interior. It definitely accents well with that dark blue paint. As you can see, you do have a man stick there. You got a 5-speed transmission to bang through the gears and make this car really fun and sporty. Overall, the interior is very nice in here. The carpet's in good shape. The seats are in good shape. The console looks nice. All the gauges work on this car. AC blows cold. You got a brand new Sony head unit there. You got some wood accents on the dash. You do have power windows and power locks in here, which is a nice upgrade, especially for this Mustang. You do have a dash cover here, but the dash is in great condition. We just have that cover there, and the previous owner just had the cover there to protect it, but it's not hiding any cracks or anything like that. And once again, stuff like this just shows how well the car was maintained and how the previous owner cared for it. You know, some people wouldn't think to do that to protect the dash, but it definitely did its job. The interior on this car is really, really nice. But guys, with that being said, let's go take this little Mustang for a drive. All right, guys, we're in this little drop top pony car, taking it for a cruise. So far, my impressions on this car are really good. The steering feels good, the brakes feel good, the gearbox is excellent, no grinding. And let me tell you, this little pony car has some power, so don't sleep on it. Man, just so fun to drive. It's not as fast as my 1200 horsepower ZL1, but definitely a really fun car to drive. Overall, the interior is really nice on this car. The exterior is nice. This is a great car to take to cruise-ins or just something to drive to work to show off to all your work buddies. Overall, a very nice car. One thing we want to mention is the Sony head unit here. It's brand new.
Mr. Hoover.
Radio sounds good in here. You do have this little system down here that will tell you if anything is wrong with the car, and it does function. We have verified that. Also, you do have the horn here. That does work. Everything in the car does work. We do put all our cars through an inspection, so we have verified that everything does work on this car. But guys, with that being said, if you're interested in this car, do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can get a hold of us at 770-738-7111. You can ask for me, Chris, or my partner, Justin. We can help you with financing and shipping, answer any of the questions you may have. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're coming out with all new content on all the new inventory that we get in, so you definitely don't wanna miss that. But we appreciate you tuning in and watching the video. Until then, we'll